Chef Shavai here, back with another video. Today we are making eggplant stew with a special guest from Iran. His name is
Bahodur.
Okay, and let's get right into the video.
Alright guys, so for the ingredients today we got tomato paste, turmeric, salt, lime, black pepper. We got 2 pounds of chicken. I used dark meat, some shallots, saffron, 4 tomatoes, bell peppers, and most importantly, we got 5 medium-sized eggplant, peeled, cut in slices, and then soaked in salt water. This helps with the taste, the color, as well as makes you use less oil when you fry.
First step is to wash your hands. Step is to cut the shallots into very tiny pieces, julienne style. Next step is to cut the shallots into small pieces, cut the bell peppers into round pieces, and also the tomatoes into round pieces. To medium heat and put 1 layer of oil on the stove. Now, start frying the eggplant.
Can you lower the
Heat?
heat? Yep.
Yes, lower the heat for a little.
Let it cool down a little bit because we got distracted. Don't get distracted, guys.
Look like when it is flipped. The eggplants are finished. Add the shallots to 2 or 1 pan of heating olive oil. 3½ cups of basmati. Shallots are cooking. Wash the rice.
Once your shallots start to change color, you start adding your chicken and start searing it with it.
On the pan, sear the chicken for 20 minutes.
We add some crushed black peppers, salt, and turmeric. Sear the tomatoes.
While the chicken is cooking, don't do it after the chicken's cooked. First step is to move the chicken into a different pot, and where the chicken was before, put the tomato paste into that pot, and then after that put the tomatoes on top of, not the tomato paste, but the tomatoes onto the chicken.
So once you put the chicken in the pot that you had all the onion in there, you want to add tomato paste. And you want to sear it until it all gets blended in. You'll know when the tomato paste and the onion and the oil all get blended in, that's when it's ready.
Add some water to the rice and boil. Tomato paste looks like when it's done. Now add the tomato paste to the chicken. strands of saffron. What you want to do is grind it with a spoon or a grinder.
Yep.
Now we're adding the bell peppers.
I want to start.
We're adding the bell peppers now to the chicken. This pot's getting full.
Let it sit for a few minutes.
Now we're gonna add the saffron to the chicken, the lime into the chicken. We have to drain the rice. Few strands of saffron to hot water, then add 3 or 4 tablespoons of yogurt to it. Now add some oil to that too.
4 more of these big scoops of rice to the mix that you made with yogurt and saffron.
Keep that mixture so the bottom of the rice gets crispy.
Now you want to add the remainder of the rice to the pot without making a mess. Create a little mountain here.
After the chicken is boiled, then you should add the eggplant right on top of it. See those little bubbles? That means they're boiled. Now you just have to add the eggplant on top of it. Let it boil for a few minutes after that, and we will show you the final presentation after. We flip the rice and it's yellow. And now what we're gonna do is add the eggplant stew on top of that crunchy rice. And we'll show you the final thing. For the vegetarians, we're leaving it separate, but this is the final thing. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.